Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu order on Wix. This is a super useful skill to have when you want to reorganize your navigation to better guide your visitors through your site. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with various options related to your site management. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have available. This is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to change the menu order. If you manage multiple sites on Wix, double-checking at this stage saves you time and prevents any accidental changes to the wrong site. Now that you've confirmed you're working on the right website, look toward the top part of your screen and locate the Design Site button. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you have full control over your site's design and layout. From here, locate the menu you wish to adjust the order of. Click on it to select it, and you'll notice a Manage Menu button appears. Click on this button, and you'll be taken directly to the Pages and Menu window. This Pages and Menu window is your control center for organizing your navigation. If you wish to change the order of your menu bar, simply drag each menu item to replace another. You can move items up or down depending on how you want them arranged. What's really satisfying here is that as you change the order of each menu item, you can watch how the menu changes right away in your header. This real-time update lets you see exactly how your new menu structure will look to your visitors. Feel free to experiment with different arrangements until you find the one that works best for your site's flow and user experience. And that's it. You've successfully changed the menu order on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.